Hi kids, how are you? I hope you're all fine. Today we have a new letter. Are you ready to see the letter? Let's go. Before we go, don't forget to like my video and subscribe the channel. Let's go. Okay, hi my friends. Let's go to the application and see the words begins letter D. Super. So we will open the application and we will go to the letters. Super. And we will press letter D. Super. Okay, it's loading. So here are the words begins letter D. They are hidden because you are going to listen here the sound and tell me what the word is. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go. So at the first one here on the red one here, red rectangle here, can you see it? Okay, so let's hear the sound together. 1, 2, 3. Yes, it's an animal and makes this sound. Can you guess what is this animal? It's very easy. Super. It's a dog. Excellent. Dog begins letter D.
Dog. Dog.
Can you hear it?
Dog.
Super. So D.
D. Dog.
D. Dog. Excellent. Let's go to the next one. The word next to the dog. Yes, the yellow rectangle. Can you see it? Okay, so let's hear the sound. Is it an animal? No, it's a thing. So what is this thing? Begins letter D. Super, it's a door. Excellent. Door. Door. Door begins letter
D.
D. D. Da.
Door.
Door. Super. Let's go to the other one. Under the door. In this blue rectangle. Let's hear the sound first. Okay. To make it easy, it's an animal and its color is green. And begins with letter D. Excellent. It's a dinosaur.
Dinosaur. Dinosaur.
Dinosaur. Super. Dinosaur begins with letter
D.
D. Very good. So let's go to the next one. Next to the dinosaur. In this green rectangle. It's a lesson. Yes, it's a bird. Super. And it's a super duck. It's a duck. Duck also begins letter D. Let's hear it.
Duck.
Duck.
D.
D. Excellent.
Duck. D.
D. Excellent. Let's revise them quickly.
D.
D.
Dog.
Dog.
D.
D.
Door.
Door.
D. Dinosaur.
Excellent. D. Dinosaur.
D.
D.
Duck.
Duck. Very good. You are really a super boys and girls. Thank you so much, my friends. Goodbye. So, my friends, are you ready to write letter D and know the direction of letter D? Let's go. So, we have our markers or our pens and the ruler to draw. Excellent, the 3 lines. Super, super, super. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Let's put the ruler here and the marker. Okay, starting, the capital D starts from line number 1. We will put the starting point here and we will draw D. How can we draw D? What is the direction of letter D? It's stick down and big round. Wow, very big round. Can you see it? Excellent. Okay, one more time from line number 1. Put your starting point and then stick down, big round. Wow. Super. Okay, let's write the small d. Okay, small d starts from line number 2. Line number 2. Excellent. Okay, put your starting point in line number 2 and draw the small d. Super. We will make round, up, 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 and down. Super. One more time. From line number 2, put your starting point and round, up, 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 and down. Very easy. I know you will do it right. As you can see, the D's are talking or working. The D's are, let me show you. The D's are talking. Super. Are they walking? No, the bees walks. Yes, excellent. The bee walks. So, and the D talks. They are looking to each other and talk. As you can see here. Okay, don't forget the D's talks and the bees walks. Thank you. Goodbye.